Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Welcome back to Cabello. We're here with week number 8 of letting my patchy beard grow. So let's get right into it. Starting as always with the left side. As you can see here. Yeah, it's crazy. I mean, that's pretty good, if I say so myself. You can see it's like basically connected to this now, or at least it gives the appearance of being like connected, just because of the length. But I mean, here there's still that little hole, obviously way less noticeable now that it's longer. And that's my left side. So moving to the middle again, my mustache still pretty weak. I don't think that's gonna be any different during the time that I grew my beard. I just hope that, you know, with minoxidil, my mustache will get better. But yep, that's my mustache. That's the underlip area. Connector right here looking way better as well, just because of the length, I think. I mean, I'm still using minoxidil, of course, but so I kind of cheated, not really. I trimmed my chin a little bit. I don't know if you can notice or not from before, just to kind of make it a little bit more even. I didn't trim a lot or anything, so yeah, that happened. So that's my chin right there. And now on the right side, my really bad side, that's what that looks like. Yeah, it's crazy how much thinner this side is, and like apart from the bald spots, it's also the hair that I do have is way thinner than the hair on the left side. So yeah, that's what that's looking like right now. Again, 8 weeks of growth. I shaved in December 26th, and I plan to keep growing it, I don't know, for another month, I think it is. So yeah, short video, you know, these are gonna be short since they're weekly. I just wanna show you guys the progress of my beard every week. Again, minoxidil is the best thing ever if you don't have a beard and you want one. So yeah guys, anyways, I'll see you next week. And if you want to see these videos, keep up with the updates, make sure you subscribe and like the video if you liked it. I'll see you next week. Bye.